Hey y'all, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Danielle. If this is your very first time here, and we are on the Celebrity Reflection. I'm gonna give y'all a quick room tour. So right now I'm on the balcony. Here's what that looks like. It's quite small out here. It's enough for 2 people though. We have a queen size bed, some over bed storage, a couch, which I think you can use as a like 3rd place for somebody to sleep, a closet, TV, drawers, and I think, well, I know this is a fridge.
Just got a microwave over it.
Is it?
Oh, safe.
A safe. Oh shoot. And then just normal drawers. 3 normal drawers. Little vanity area with, I think these lights are functional. We have a table, mini nightstands that have some shelves in them, full-length mirror, closet, and they put some umbrellas in the bottom of it. Y'all probably can't see it, it's really dark in there, but they do offer umbrellas. And then front door and the bathroom. So got a little vanity area, what's that called, a toilet, some shelves, and a shower. Here's the shower, has some jets. It's not big, so you got just enough room to turn around, and then you can remove the shower head to help yourself. Okay, so that's the whole room. There's the bar, Sunset Bar. Oh my gosh, it's so huge. Icon of the seas. And it's just cemented for me that I'm not getting off this damn boat. It's another one coming right here. All these ships in one place. It's gonna be packed on that damn island. I don't think the fan matters.
Maybe tiramisu?
Wow. Look, did you notice this?
Yeah. That's what happens when you do fancy shit. This is really nice.
Live all across the country. We are all a part of this.